Hello children, welcome back to my talks. And here again, I'm there with standard 12th biology. Okay, according to the new pattern, chapter wise questions as I told you all. Okay, uh, completely case based assertion, MCQs, everything. So this is from chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. And as we start, very first question, perisperm is, four options are there. Okay, degenerate secondary nucleus, peripheral part of endosperm, remnant of nucleus, degenerate synergids. If you are not able to do this, children, you need to go and refer to the chapters once more. So this is really going to be very, very beneficial for you. Second, which of the following fruit is a case of parthenogenesis? Now, what is parthenogenesis? Formation of fruit without fertilization. So fruit without seeds after pollination, fruit with seeds after pollination, fruit with viable seeds without fertilization, isn't it? So this. Next, third, if an endosperm cell of an angiosperm has 24 chromosomes, the root cell of megaspore mother cell should have 8, 16, 4 or 24. How many number of cells? Okay. Coming to fourth question, how many meiotic divisions are needed for forming 100 grains of wheat? If you have problem, do ask me in the comment box. Okay, answers will be shared at the end. So now this is for you. I'm sharing the questions for you. What sort of questions from each chapter you have to prepare. So this is one. Meiotic divisions, you know, 4 daughter cells are formed and you have to calculate. Aileron layer, this is in maize, if you have studied, okay, is present in the peripheral part of the scutellum, cotyledons, the peripheral part of coleoptile, and the peripheral part of endosperm. Go to the diagram, find it out. That is the protein part. Sixth, which is the most logical sequence with reference to life cycle of angiosperm? So, a pollination, fertilization, seed formation, germination, the sequence you have to see. Okay, the sequence of the events you have to see. Second is germination, endosperm formation, seed dispersal or double fertilization. C, cleavage, fertilization, grafting, fruit formation, and these maturation, mitosis, differentiation, and fertilization. Yeah, sorry. Seventh is sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is secreted by, okay, cytoplasm of the pollen tapetum, cytoplasm of the pollen mother cell, cytoplasm of the pollen ये है, cytoplasm of the tapetum B, cytoplasm of pollen mother cell, and cytoplasm of the endothecium. Okay, sporopollenin, it is in pollen grain, if you remember the structure of the pollen. Now, eighth question, which one of these tissues is not produced from the embryonic mass of a dicot seed? Root tip, plumule, hypocotyl, or cotyledon? Which is not produced from the embryonic mass, means at the embryonic stage of a dicot seed. Cotyledon, hypocotyl, plumule, or root tip? कौन सा नहीं रहता है? Then ninth question, if the flowering plant has 12 number of chromosomes in each of its meristematic cells, which of the following structure would have root apex, microspore and functional megaspores, pollen and megaspore mother cells, and secondary nucleus within the embryo? Now, dear children, I've been telling you always, you will have to mark the correct option, and for your information, all the questions will carry equal marks, and it's not very certain that each question will carry 1 marks. It may be less than that, maybe 0.8, maybe 0.72, completely depends on how much. 50 questions you have to answer, 60 questions will be there for your boards, 50 you have to answer, and the total marks is 40. So then total marks is 35, yes, in the case of bio, and you can always calculate. Next, we come to 10th question. The development of globular endosperm is A, just like that of cellular endosperm, B, exactly similar to that of nuclear endosperm, C, intermediate between the nuclear and cellular endosperm, and D is none of the above. Go to 11th. Embryo sac of an angiosperm is homologous. Okay, to homologous to it, similar to it, looks like megaspore, sporangium, female gametophyte, none of the above. Let me go a little faster. Okay, 12th, again it comes to anthesis is dehiscence of anthers. or opening of floral bud. C is entry of pollen tube into ovule. Okay, and emergence of anthers. Anthesis. Dehiscence of anthers or emergence of anthers. 13th, entry of pollen tube through micropyle is called mesogamy, pseudogamy, chalazogamy, or porogamy. Yeah, quite many things, I hope. It's not mentioned in the book, but then it requires that you must know it, because ये तो थोड़ा tough होने वाला है. 14th, the outermost and innermost wall layers of microsporangium in an anther are respectively endothecium and tapetum. Okay, tapetum is nutritive, I hope if you remember. Okay, epidermis and middle layer, epidermis and endodermis, epidermis and tapetum. 15th is, in a fertilized embryo sac, the haploid, diploid, and triploid structures are synergids, zygote, and primary endosperm nucleus. B is synergid, antipodal, and polar nuclei. C is antipodal, synergid, and primary endosperm nucleus. And fourth is synergid, polar nuclei, and zygote. Next we come to 16th. Okay, milky water in green coconut is prenuclear liquid endosperm, okay, or liquid female gametophyte, liquid chalaza. Okay, so that free nuclear liquid endosperm it is. Let's go to 17th. A plant with both male and female flowers, unisexual, bisexual, monoecious, dioecious. Very, very important. Okay, by this time, you must be very confident about it. Then we come to 18th, filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus kahan hota hai? Macropyle ke wahan pe. Okay, through which the pollen tube enters. So it occurs in synergids, egg nucleus, antipodals, or secondary nucleus. Do try and remember the structure of embryo sac. 19th, a dicot plant bears flowers but never produces fruits and seeds. The most probable cause for the above situation is plant is dioecious, bears only pistillate flowers. Plant is dioecious and bears both pistillate and staminate flowers. Monoecious, dioecious, and bears only staminate flowers. Come to 20th, 256 microspores will form by the meiosis of how many microspore mother cells? 512, 64, 128, 48. 21st question, just hold it over there so that they can see. 21st, if a normal plant suddenly started reproducing parthenogenetically, the number of chromosomes of the second generation compared to the parent will be how much? 1/2, 1/4, double, or same. Okay. And then come to 22nd. In a flower, if the megaspore mother cell forms megaspores without undergoing meiosis, and if one of the megaspore develops into an embryo sac, its nuclei would be haploid, diploid, a few haploid and a few diploid, or with varying ploidy. In an embryo sac, the cells that degenerate after fertilization are synergids, primary endosperm cell. Endosperm kaise hoga batao? Endosperm is the nutritive one, which provides nutrition to the growing embryo. Antipodals and primary endosperm, ye bhi nahi. Synergids and antipodals is the correct answer. 24th. In the embryos of a typical dicot and a grass, true homologous structures are coleorhiza and coleoptile, okay, cotyledons and scutellum, coleoptile and scutellum, hypocotyl and radical. Okay, so scutellum, cotyledons, coleoptile, scutellum, that you have to see. Then we come to 25th. While planning for an artificial hybridization program, okay, involving dioecious plants, which of the following step would not be relevant? Bagging of female flower, emasculation, dusting of pollen on stigma, or collection of pollen. 26, choose the correct statement from the following. Clistogamous, chasmogamous flowers ka explanation that you can see ABCD. 27th is autogamy can occur in chasmogamous flower if pollen matures before maturity, and that. 30 questions are already over. Next we come to this assertion reason based question. Okay. Oh no, we missed something. Yeah. 27th was over. 28th is a particular species of plant produces light, non-sticky pollen in gray large numbers, and its stigmas are long and feathery. These modifications facilitate pollination by A is insects, B water, C wind, and D animals. Okay, you have to choose the correct one. And then we have 29th. From among the situations given below, choose the one that prevails, both autogamy and glycnogamy. Monoecious, the 4 options are there. 30th, starting from the innermost part, okay, the correct sequence of the parts of an ovule is egg, bacillus, embryo sac, integument. 4 options there were, you have to choose. Should we do this if the video becomes very long? Or I'm just sharing it, I'm not reading out, children. I have few assertion and reason based question according to the chapter, related with the chapter. I will just halt for certain time and you can see the questions. These 4 options are there. This is applicable for all the questions over there. Okay, that you must have seen. Now the question goes like this. We'll wait for a second and then you can see it. Yeah. Yes. Female gametophyte in angiosperm is 8 nucleate. Double fertilization, because double fertilization occurs in angiosperm. Reason को because में देखिए, then only you will understand. ठीक है? 40 है यहाँ पे. As you can see, okay, 40 till 40 we have 10 questions. We have assertion reason based questions, and then we come to case based questions. Finally, case based questions, you can see a paragraph like this is given. Okay, I'll again halt for certain time so that you can read out the whole thing. Should we move it? Everything is visible. Okay, as you can see, this particular paragraph, a paragraph like this will be given, and then you can see the questions. While planning for an artificial hybridization involving dioecious plants, which are the following stage. तो इस तरह से आपको दिया रहेगा. Wait, this they must have not seen. So I hope it's clearer, children. Yeah. 5 questions are there related to one case-based question. Yes. Next we come to the second case-based. What case-based it is? Assertion reason only related to that. The paragraph, and you can see sporopollen wala assertion reason question. Then again we have over here. This is another paragraph. A flower of tomato plant following the process of sexual reproduction. Okay. This happens when one of the pollen grain reaches to the stigma by an agency of 2-cell stage vegetative cell and generative cell. This is the last question. Question number? Yes. Third of the case-based question. And finally, try solving all this. And this is the answer of MCQs, as you can see, and the answer of assertion and reasoning based questions, and answer of case based questions. So this is all, children. And if you have not subscribed, as I've been telling you, to subscribe to the channel, okay, for scoring really good marks, okay, because more chapters are there to come. And do comment when you are seeing it. Put your comment. If you want something, you can put your comment. For appreciation also, that is required. Share, like, and do appreciate. Thank you all.